that I'm stuck in the rain.
Where are you?
Somewhere in Ago. Oh God. I'm so cold and drenched.
What happened to your car?
My car broke down at Ojuelewa. I already called Ahmed, my mechanic, to come pick it up. And then I left with a cab. But coming back, I've been trying to get these boat people, but they are always cancelling, saying that the road to my location is bad.
Oh my God. So what are you going to do now?
I have to find my way to Festac. I hope you're home.
Of course I am. I'll be waiting for you, dear. And Elle, please be careful, okay?
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me call you back. I think I can see a bike coming towards my direction. Okay, babe, I'll call you back, okay? Bike! Bike! Bike!
Ellie, thank God you're all right. You had me worried. Elle, you really had me.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening. Who are you?
My name is Elizabeth. My son here is Davis. Please, we're stranded. We couldn't find means to get to our home. Please, we need your help. Let's stay here for tonight, please. Help us, please.
Madam, I'm sorry. I really cannot help you. You want to just check next door, please? I'm sorry.
Please help us.
No,
Please,
madam, don't do that, please.
Please, we are stranded. Please. Davis, are you okay?
Samantha, this is Lagos. Don't listen to them. Just let them be. This should help. Sorry.
Thank you, ma.
It's okay. Okay. It's okay. Sorry, eh? Sorry. Madam, you can drink. Madam, I have a methylated rub.
Okay.
I don't know. Should I get it?
Yes. David needs it. We need it, ma.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. You can keep drinking. I'm coming, okay? I have this. So let me help you, Rob. Ooh. Sorry, eh? Sorry, eh? Sorry. Hope you feel better a little bit.
Thank you so much, ma.
It's
God
fine.
bless you.
It's all.
Auntie, thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
I don't really know what to do.
Come on, madam. Stop.
I appreciate it.
Your clothes are in the washer. Okay, very soon they'll be ready.
Okay.
And by tomorrow, you can wear them.
Oh, thank you so much. God
You're
bless
welcome.
you.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'll get you water now. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma.
Come
I
on.
never knew there are still good people around. God bless you
Madam,
richly.
it's nothing. Come on. Just eat your food, okay?
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Yep. Oh, yes. And boom. Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. You're welcome. I'll see you in the morning, okay?
Good night, Auntie.
Good night, Davis. Sleep well, okay? Yes.
Excuse me, ma.
Yes.
Your heart is so pure and your kind is rare. If you don't mind, there's something I would like to tell you, but that will be in the morning.
It's okay. That's fine. You need to rest now. Good night. Good night. God, I hope I'm doing the right thing. Switched off. Hell. Still switched off. Hell. I hope you're okay. Oh, God. Oh, it's Ellie. Ellie, you had me so worried. Where are you, girl? Okay, I'm coming. Oh.
My dear, I am sorry. The bike man I saw was a soldier. I pleaded with him. He agreed to take me home. Then we ended up with 6,000 naira.
What? 6K? From where to where exactly? Come on.
I was stranded. I don't want anything to happen to me there. You need to see the road. I beg you, 6,000 naira cannot afford to buy life.
You're right. Speaking about being stranded, I have a woman and her son in the visitor's bedroom. They were stranded last night. I offered them a place to stay.
Samantha, you harbored strangers in your house. Come on, Samantha. I hope you know this is Lagos. What if it's a trap?
Trap?
Yes, trap.
Trust me, Elle. A trap doesn't look like this. The kid was drenched. He was practically shivering. You need to have seen both of them. Trust me, if you were here, you would have just dragged them in. Trust me on that.
Samantha, I'm not buying this. Where are they? We need to wake them up so they leave.
Elle.
Yes.
7:15 a.m. Come on. Please.
So what? Where are they?
In the visitor's bedroom. Elle.
Oh no, honestly, they need to leave. You don't
Come on, it's just 7:15
It's
a.m.
not safe. To go.
It's just a woman and her kid. Come on. Shit.
Samantha, there is no one in there.
What do you mean there's no one in there?
There is obviously nobody in that room.
Are you serious? You're the first person I'm opening the door for this morning. How can you say? You know what? Let me just get them myself. I know you seriously want me to chase them away. Elle.
Like I'm serious. So, where are your visitors?
They were here. Yes, here. The woman even said she had something to tell me in the morning. Ella, don't look at me that way. Don't look at me as if I'm crazy.
Okay.
I even made noodles for them. You don't believe? Okay, just come, just come. The dishes, it was in there. I promise, it was in there. Hold on. Listen, I even look at.
It's okay. I understand. Okay? I totally understand. You just woke up from sleep and these are probably the reflections from your dream.
No.
I completely understand.
I am not insane!
But clearly there is no one here. Nobody slept here.
I opened this! I know what I am saying. The plates were just in the sink before I slept. I was the one who opened this. Come on! The woman's name was Elizabeth and so Davis! I am not insane! What's going on? No, this is not happening to me. I stood right here. I removed this. I opened it, then the pots. What's going on? Oh God, what's going on? No, someone is trying to play a prank on me. What's this? Elle, listen to me. After I took your call last night, I decided to wait for your arrival, of course. Then a few minutes past 10, I heard the doorbell ring. So I went downstairs to open the door for you. Of course, you had told me you were coming. On opening the door, I saw a woman and a son. They were standing in front of the door, totally drenched. Yes, and shivering. But
It's okay. I believe everything you've said. Okay?
oh, wait. There's something not right here. Listen, let's just recap a little bit.
Okay.
This morning, I opened the gate for you, right? I opened it from the inside. Usually you would just come in the mornings or anytime you want to because the gate is already open. But today I had to open because the gate was locked. I opened the front door by myself inside. So if they had gone outside, how did they open the door, and the gate and lock them both from the inside? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Something is not right. What is going on? Hell, tell me you understand me.
Samantha, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Oh God. No. Oh God, please, come on. It's good.
Oh, Samantha, must you do this every morning?
Of course, I must. A cup of coffee brightens your day. Tell me, were you able to finish the audit with Salem Group?
Not yet, and that thing is giving me a whole lot of nightmare. I will need your help when we get to the office, please.
Okay, I'll look it over.
All right.
Sorry. Late.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go. Just a minute.
Come on.
Minute. All right.
Oh. Ah, girls. Yetunde is super lucky. Whoever believed that Frank would ever get back into her arms, talk more of getting married. Ha! God, when is it my turn now? Remember me, I'm still here. Man.
Well, I don't know about you girls, but I can't wait to go to that party and shake my waist. I can't wait to steal the show and watch those niggas frolicking around me.
You can't be serious. Wait, is that what this party means to you?
Becky, I don't know what
To
you're
shake your
going
bubble?
before.
Hey!
You don't want to catch big fish. Hey, just go there. You see me do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Yeah. I'll flash the go with the legs. Not my ass doesn't pass.
She is so dramatic.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Who is this cute looking gentleman?
Is Samantha in?
Who is it? Some cute guy standing in front of me. Come on.
All right. Hi.
Hello, Khalid. Hey. Tell me, how's your weekend going?
Fine. Cool. Sam,
Yes.
did you get any mail yesterday?
No.
Did you check?
Come on. It's weekend.
All right. Can I see you outside, please? We need to talk. Please.
Aye, Captain. Right back.
Girl, that guy's fine. Wait. Hold the thoughts, please.
Patrick, we've been standing here. What is it? Did anything happen in the office? Patrick.
Sam. The company published names of staff that will be laid off. And your name appeared on the list. Hey, Sam. Easy. Easy, please. Easy.
You said my name was what? Where? How?
Easy, Sam, please. I tried, okay? I tried my best, all right? I tried talking to HR on your matter, but there is little or nothing I could do about it. You just have to come see the chairman yourself. Please.
Not me.
Easy.
Not me.
It's easy, please.
No.
What have I done?
Sammy.
What is it?
Sammy, talk to me.
What is it now?
Patrick, what happened? Patrick, can you just say something? What happened?
Hey, Patrick here? Patrick or whatever you're called. Are you aware that we have a party to attend? What stupid bad news did you bring to her?
Sammy. Sammy.
Patrick, you need to leave. Patrick. Leave or you have me touching you. Please leave. Sam!
Sir, please. Can you do something about this? This is wrong timing. This is coming at a time where I feel really helpless. Please, sir. You can afford to just throw away 6 years? 6 years of hard work. Please. Reconsider, please.
Samantha, you're one of my best staff. This wasn't targeted at anybody personal, not even you. We did all we did as the need arose. It wasn't aimed at anybody. This company must survive. I'm sorry. Okay?
Sam, I guess you did all you could. But it is what it is.
Well, thank you. Thanks for all your support. You're indeed a good friend, my dearest colleague. I feel a bit relieved now, though.
All right, so what's the plan?
Truth is, I'm thinking in line of business this time. I have some small savings, and I'm thinking of setting up a business venture, at least a small one. Wow. I know my savings can do that for me.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, I'm always here to support you. Okay, call me if you need my assistance.
Of course, thank you.
No, I mean it. I'm always here to assist you.
Thank you. Okay, drive carefully now.
You take care of yourself.
Of course, always. Bye. You know, I loved my job and I didn't see that coming. I guess it's time to try something different. But before then, I need a few days to cool off.
Sammy, I still insist you let Vincent know you're coming over to stay with him for some days.
Why? He's my fiancé, for God's sake. I don't need to tell him I'm coming over.
Come on, what if he's out of town? I mean, phone makes everything easier these days. Call him.
Hey, Vin. I'm coming over. I need to tell you something.
Sorry, I left town early this morning. Makinde was rushed to the hospital somewhere outside town. He was involved in an accident crash. You can go to the house, you know where to find the key already.
Oh my God. How is Makinde faring?
I'm sorry, babe. Everything happened so fast. I had to rush along when they called me. He only sustained a leg injury, but not something serious. I'll be back by the weekend.
It's okay. Just take care of yourself and take care of him, alright? Bye.
Where's Makinde?
His younger brother.
Sorry, I have to take this. Yeah, hello, Sandra. Come on, I have more than enough stocked. Okay, I'll be with you shortly. Alright. Sammy, I have to go. I will check on you over the phone, okay?
It's alright.
Yeah.
Let me walk you out.
Business call. I hope I'm not forgetting anything.
You never do.
Okay.
Hey, baby girl.
Sam,
Where are you?
I just landed in Lagos with a helicopter. Can you beat that? Can you?
Crazy girl. Tell me, where are you headed at the moment?
My house. Is anything the matter? Oh, I see. You need company.
No. Not really. I mean, actually, yes. Please, could you come over?
Sure. I need to give you some hot gist. I am heading straight to your home.
See you, girl. Girl, I'm famished. Calm down. Shirley? I think there's something wrong with my sister. I mean, I've been seeing my pee for over a week.
What? No. This is bad news. A week?
A week and 2 days to be precise.
Did you eat something that didn't go well with your bowl lately?
Nothing I can think of. I think I should just go see a doctor.
Okay. That's a good idea. But girl, you need to hear this gist. My trip to Gombe.
Gombe!
Shelly. Girl.
That's far north!
That is where the money bag is.
Yes.
Girl. So I met this young, active, wealthy guy. He invited me and your girl honored. eat your food, don't worry. That city is the bumper.
Yep. Thank you. You will. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, I did. Babe.
Yes.
You know you can't remain like this. Now that you've lost this one, what is the plan?
Truthfully, I plan to start up a business.
Business? You know I know nothing about business. And I can't advise you on that.
I know. And you don't have to bother. Ellie and I are working out something. And I have some savings. I plan to invest in the business. But I'll be starting really small, grow from there gradually.
I see. Well, that's a good idea. Sometimes I just wish I could be like you guys. Do business, but I love traveling. That's fun for me,
I guess that's business for you, right?
Samantha, what is that supposed to mean?
This is really unusual. But I think you should run some tests to ascertain the cause. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, I mean, yes, sure. Yes.
All right. Now.
One whole week and 4 days. That's weird.
I know. Dr. Esther ran some tests. Then she prescribed some drugs. I just hope it regulates it.
Well, it will. But is there anything you don't want me to know about?
Anything like what?
Hell.
Yes. Don't tell me you think I remove.
Come on. What do you want me to think? I mean, you and I knows that things happens whenever you go see your fiancé.
Well, far from that. Your mind is dirty.
Come on, whatever.
I hate you at times.
I know, right? Thank you. Pleasure. Oh my goodness.
Oga, what do you mean you haven't seen the money? No, now I sent it. It's over 3 hours now. I sent it to the number I saw on the banner now. Hello? Hello? What kind of rough place is this one now? What have I done?
The MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off.
What kind of rubbish talk is that one now? What have I done? What's this? Oh, God, please. Oh. God.
Sammy, what is it? You sounded so urgent over the phone.
I sent money to someone. I paid my shop rent. I think I've been scammed. I don't know.
Did you call the landlord?
I just did, and he's telling me he has not seen the money, and it's over 3 hours now. I sent it. The thing is, when I went to visit the shop, I copied the number on a piece of paper. Then when I wanted to now pay the money, I couldn't find the piece of paper anymore. Then I went back to the place I had seen the banner now. Then I copied the number there. I called the landlord. I even confirmed with him if it was Fortune Bank. He said yes. Then I went ahead and made the payments. It's been over 3 hours. I called him now. He's telling me that he has not seen my money. Is that a prank or a joke or what?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, you need to calm down, okay? I mean, 1.8 million naira isn't a small money. It's okay, you need to calm down. We need to go see the landlord ASAP.
Yes.
1.8 million naira is not a small money.
No,
We
it's
need to
not.
go see him
It's
now.
not. I don't know what I will do.
It's okay, just calm down. How can you make such a silly mistake? You should have confirmed with the landlord.
What am I going to do? What am I going to do? That was half of my entire savings. I am finished. I am finished.
You are not finished.
Ah.
Please, stop saying that. I mean, you of all people should have known that the internet is filled with fraudulent activities. It's okay, just put yourself together, okay? You just have to manage the little you have and start up. Just start up anyhow.
Anyhow? How? I have just 1.6 million naira. What am I going to start up with that? And that's the only savings I have left. What can 1.6 million do? What will it do for me?
It's okay.
What will it do for me, God?
It's okay. You can start from home. Set up an Instagram account. Get a good digital marketer. Sell online. Partner with few dispatch riders that can, deliver for you. Yeah. I mean, let's see how it goes. Just start from there. Okay? Listen. I have few contacts. Good contacts that I can link you up with. Let's just start from home. Start from there. I think these days the Instagram is also a good way of, selling out your business. So please, I want you to relax. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sammy.
Babe, you know you can't continue like this all day. You can't just sit here, fold your hands and expecting miracles to happen. Huh? Listen, you know I have all the contacts in the world. Just one contact, one night, and you're 3 million naira richer.
Shirley. Instead of introducing me to your contacts, why don't you just lend me some money? You know I'm capable of paying back.
Sammy, I don't really have enough on me. I've exhausted everything I have. Besides, I can't help you unless I'm back from Abuja.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got one senator I need to hook up with.
Is that your way of saying you're not going to give me any money?
Sammy, look, I don't even have enough for myself. Let alone one to spare.
But you just got back from Gombe, barely 5 days now.
Babe, think about what I told you, okay? I promise it will be fun. 3 million naira, one night. Girl, call me when you make up your mind. Bye.
Stingy girl. I knew she would be full of stories. Hello guys, it's your favorite girl Samantha from Jack's Hair. Today I bring you another favorite from my brand, of course. This hair is not your regular. It is pure 100% human hair straight from Vietnam. Guys, you haven't seen this one. This one, any skin tone, just get this hair. Trust me, you're gonna like it. I have it in bulk. Now let me show you another beautiful hair. Let's take a look at this one. Guys, look at the color. See how lush it is. See now, see the length. It's not your regular hair. So, if you want to purchase in bulk, of course I offer a discount. Just come to me and I'll give you good discount. Guys, this hair, hey, you don't want to miss it. I have them in bulk. I have them in cartons, any one you want. See her now. Hey, it's not your regular, so patronize me now before it gets sold out. Okay, guys? And trust me, I'll see you with more beautiful and lovely hairs. Slide into my DM. Slide into my DM. I'm talking to you. Let's just. Bye. That one. It will suit you a whole lot. I sent 4 cartons of this particular week to that. You know Annie's now? Yeah. I sent 4 cartons to her, as in they rush up. This is the last one. No. I don't even have in stock anymore.
This is 100% in my hair.
100%, no shedding. Serious luxury, straight from Vietnam. I know they take my business. They're not going to count stone. No.
What about this one?
Girl, that is the highest with Bella, my bestseller. My dear, hold that thing close to your skin to let me show you how it looks. Just hold it, hold it. Babe, look calm now. I'm not going here come play. I know what I do for this business.
Babe, I think I'll go with this one.
Yes, so... Oh, sorry, excuse me. Hello? Joe, where are you? Down the Morgan Street. When you enter from the main street, count 3 streets to your right. Yes, just the number 7. 3 streets to your right, number 7. Oh, you're here already. You're sure you're in number 7? Okay, I'm coming. All right. Sorry, girls, please excuse me. Please, just keep looking. You will find more, eh? Let me please give my dispatch, this one. I promise, you will come back for more. Joel.
This your estate is really confusing me with the other one next to it.
Sorry about that. Please, this one is going to Chevron Drive. The client that has this goods is on my neck.
Chevron Drive?
Yes, please make sure you get it delivered within the hour, please. Before you do any other thing, I beg.
That's no problem, but hold on. Hold on. Madam, there is traffic on that road.
Joel.
Big one.
Wait, you know what? Go through the back gate. Please, don't worry, I will add something for you now. Just go through the back gate. Make sure you deliver it, please.
Okay, no problem. Trust me. I'll find my way.
Joel, please, please. Before any other delivery, do this one, please. I beg, hurry.
That road there.
No, no, no way, Zamora, no way. You and I know that my price is the best you have in town. No, come on. Listen, the only thing I can do for you is to take out 6,000 naira. Come on, transfer to 60. I've tried now. You won't send me go village. What's going to happen? If I leave you, you go pursue me more for this town. It's okay. I'll be expecting it. Thank you. Baby.
You're beautiful.
Hi.
So, what's going on here?
Oh, business. Hair business.
What happened to your work?
Really? It's been a month now. I was laid off from work. And my dearest boyfriend doesn't even know about it. Are you for real right now?
Laid off? I'm sorry, babes. You know I've not been in town. Been in and out of the hospital with my kid brother. He got amputated last week. What we thought was minor turned out to be a problem. The accident really damaged his left leg.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm the one who's sorry. I'm so sorry about that. How is he coping?
Well, he's strong. He lives, and that's the most important thing.
Wow. This must be really difficult. So sorry.
Thank you. So this is your new business?
Yes. It's just 3 weeks old. And I'm sure very soon she'll grow into an empire.
You know I'm proud of you, right?
Oh, and
I
I'm
am super proud.
proud of me too. Oh, Lauren, come on. Please bring your voice down. I already told you the dispatch is on his way to you.
Almost 4 hours, so you've been telling me that the dispatch guy is coming. And I've not seen him. Oh. If I wait before the end of today and I don't see my goods and I don't see the dispatch rider, you will refund me my 1.2 million naira. Oh. Me, I have not called you again.
No. Oh my God. Joe, where are you? Where are you? Oh God, I'm finished. No, please, don't do this to me. Don't you have to connect? Ah!
Where did he go?
I don't know. I've been trying his number all day and it's been switched off. I don't know what else to do.
Did you try calling his company?
I don't know the company he works with. I saw him within the estate delivering something to someone. I took his number and we've been in business ever since. That's all I know.
Oh God, Sammy, not again. What is wrong with you? What do you mean you don't have the company details of the people he works for other than his phone number? What is wrong with you? How can you be making such silly mistakes? Anyway, can we just go inside? It's late. Come on, let's go inside. Huh? What kind of mistakes is this? If you're a child, it would have been understandable, but this is totally out of it.
Yes, Tega, how do we find him? He's been missing for 3 days now. We already made an official report at the police station. Okay, all right.
What about the place you got his number from? The house? Have you gone there to see if anyone has his number?
Samantha! Samantha! What's happening? Where is she going? Samantha!
Don't worry.
Can I help you?
Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon. There is this dispatch rider that came to deliver some items to you.
Okay.
His name is Joel. So I would want to know if you have any vital details or about him, his number and address, another number of his.
Sorry. Lots of dispatch riders come here to make delivery, and either for my mom, me, or my sister, and we do not know their names.
So you mean there is really nothing you can help us with? Any information at all would go a long way. Please.
I really don't understand what is going on here. Who are you people?
This is very simple. She's just trying to ask you. Come on. Huh? There's a dispatch rider who came here about a month ago to deliver something to you, and it's been about 3 days now. He's missing. He has squandered my goods, 1.2 million naira. I don't even know how to reach him because his number is switched off, and we're just simply asking you if you have information about him. That's all. That's simple.
This is simply very easy. Contact his company. They'll provide him. If they don't, the company pays.
Yeah, I think, yes, that's true. Sammy, I think that's what we're going to do.
That's what you need to do.
Thank you very much.
You.
It's really did not cross my mind.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Larry.
All right. Sammy.
This is your fault, Vin. You're never here. You're never around. Neither here nor there. If only you were here, I would have confided in you.
Babe, how is all of this my fault?
How is it your fault? You were never around. If only I had the opportunity to confide in you, maybe I wouldn't have even started out. You're either in Port Harcourt or in Osun State, or better yet, looking after your brother. You never have time for us. You never ever have time for us. You're not satisfied until you're done with yourself. You're always satisfied when it's about you. You and you alone. You know what? This nonsense between us is a charade, and I am done. Okay? I'm done.
Sammy.
Don't even dare. Don't tell me anything. Leave me alone. What is this?
What has gotten over you?
She's obviously in a bad mood, and I'm really sorry about that. Okay, maybe you should just, go and, come back later.
Yeah. I totally understand how she feels. Please make sure to fill me in on things.
Of course, I sure will.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, baby girl.
Look, you can't continue to fold your arms and just remain like that. I mean, first it was your job, and then you got scammed, and then the dispatch rider absconded with people's goods. I mean, what would you do? Just think about them now. It's not normal.
Darling, you know I'm not cut out for such lifestyle. I'm sorry.
Oh, tell me now. What would you do if these debtors come knocking at your door? What will you do?
I'm really trying. And I know very soon I'll figure out a way, okay?
See, I don't even have time. Don't just kill this vibe. I need to go and enjoy myself. I need to go and swim. I'll talk to you later. Let me know when you're ready, okay? Just one contact, baby.
Alright, bye.
Shirley is completely out of the equation. Shirley is just a ceremonial friend. Honestly, that girl is so stingy. My goodness. Have you ever seen me ask Shirley for anything before? I can't even think of that. Shirley would rather go on a trip around Africa than to lend you money for anything.
Do you know the funny thing? Because to me, all of this is strange. You know, to think that she does all of this, it's not even my problem. What beats me is her telling me she wants to give me one of her contacts so I could bounce back. Can you imagine? Like, but...
Are you expecting someone?
No, not at all. Well, let me just...
I hope you're not expecting me to finish up.
You can come if you want. Let me check.
Okay.
Good morning. Good day, ma. Good day,
You're
ma.
surprised seeing me, Abi? Look at your life. Good to know you're here early. So this is the kind of person you stood for. She stopped taking my calls and has refused to send me my money. Stay out of it. I'm coming for you. Samantha, or whatever you call yourself. I am giving you 48 hours to pay me all my money. Else, you will get yourself into deeper mess that you will never forget. Oh, you think I got to where I am today by avoiding my creditors? You lie. This shows that you're not fit for business. 48 hours! 48 good hours! Without my money, you know the kind of stuff I'm made of. Let me not get my money within 48 hours. For you.
Samantha, have you not been taking her calls? No! Samantha, why? Why, Samantha? Samantha, this is the height of distrust in business. You don't do that. Samantha, look for a way to pay up. This woman can be very mean. You don't want to mess with her. Pay up. I need to go after her right now.
Yes. It's come.
Baby, what's going on? What is it you were saying over the phone?
I am in debt. I owe 4 million. As it stands, I have 48 hours to pay it back.
48 hours? Where are you going to get that kind of money in a short time?
Babe, please. I need your help. Please. Oh, Patrick. Hi.
What's going on?
Patrick. I am in trouble.
How?
Long story short, I owe 4 million and I need it paid within 48 hours.
48 what? 4 million naira? Hey, Sam, what's going on? Are you into anything dubious?
No, please. It's my hair supplier. I need to pay her within 48 hours. She's a very influential person in this country. Please help me, please.
You know what? I think we have to go and see her right now. Okay? Let's see if we can talk to her. At least to help us buy more time.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go.
Right. You're good like this?
Yeah, of course, I'm good.
Right. Hey.
Yes.
Is Vincent aware of this?
Oh, please, can you just forget that one? Let's go. Please.
Yes, George. I need it right now. Please, George, you're the only person I can call. Please. Yes.
How far have you gone?
Okay.
I have just 1.5 million naira.
Please.
Okay, good.
Please.
I was able to raise 500,000, so making it 2 million. Thank you, but it's still not enough. Why?
Oh, thank you so much, George. Thank you so much. George, God, George, you don't know what you've just done right now. Like, this means so much to me. Seriously, yes. George, I am very grateful, okay? You don't know what this means to me right now. God bless you. Thank you. All right, I'm able to raise 1 million naira. Okay, I called Tina at the office and she promised to give me 600,000. I spoke with George, my friend, just now, and he's willing to give me 400,000 naira.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
It's okay.
That's really great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So now we have 3 million.
3 million,
naira.
yeah.
It will really go a long way. Where am I gonna get the rest from?
So we're looking for 1 million naira. Okay, so because who'd wear cornest? Vincent. Hi.
So good.
I'm good. Who do I call? Big.
I was able to raise 1 million naira for you. I'm sorry, it's all I could come up with right now. I'm sorry.
Wow. Thank God.
Thank you.
Thank God. Thank God.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. A good night feeling. Why is it not cold? What's going on? Yeah, hello, Johnson. Good day. Please, I don't know what's wrong with my refrigerator. I just noticed it's not cooling. Please, I need you to come check it out. When? No. Please do not send any of your boys, please. Thank you. Make sure you keep to time this time. Thank you. All right. kind of thing is this one now? Why would Grace pick this quality of Ankara for her own introduction when there are better fabrics out there?
She says she and her husband are on a budget. My dear, people are cutting down lately. The economy isn't friendly at all. Are you expecting someone?
Johnson, my refrigerator technician. I don't know what suddenly came over my fridge. It just stopped working. So I asked him to come check it. Let me just get it done. But for this introduction, I ain't attending. Can't wear that.
Please. We have to come through for her. Honestly. Honestly, though. Something else.
Good afternoon.
Johnson, what took you so long?
Yeah, sorry, on my way coming, I met a very good traffic.
Traffic? You and this your traffic. Anyway, you know where the refrigerator is, eh?
Yeah, let me check it out.
All right, thank you. My darling, I ain't attending. I can't wear this. It's too dull.
Too dull? For your skin tone? Then what about me that is dark? No, black girl like me. Wait till you want to talk for my own. We will go.
Yeah. Attend to her now. Tell her the prices. A discount? How many does she want? 20 dozens. Okay. Okay, you know what? I am coming right away. Yes. Please make them feel very comfortable. Give them something to drink and probably something to snack on too. I am coming, okay? All right. Okay.
Yeah, that is huge.
Honestly.
Congratulations.
Babes, please. I need to run along. I don't trust those girls.
It's explainable.
Yes, I don't trust them one bit. I need to do the sales myself. This is huge.
It's huge.
Okay.
Let me get the date for you.
Johnson. Johnson. Is it working now? Johnson. I have a lot of things to do today. Johnson. You won't stay here the whole day. Johnson.
Samantha, what really happened?
I don't know. I don't know what happened. After you left, I went to the kitchen to check on him. There, I saw his lifeless body. He was just lying there. I screamed. That's all. I didn't touch him. I didn't do anything. I didn't kill him. I would never kill someone. Elle, I didn't do anything wrong. You know me.
Yes, I know. It's okay, please. It's okay. Just put yourself together and be strong. I promise I'll get you out of here. I will do everything within my power to get you out of here.
Please. Call Vincent. Call Shelley. Get me a lawyer, please. Get me a lawyer. Do everything you can, please. I just need to leave this place, please.
I got you. I will. You'll be out of here in no time, I promise.
Okay.
It's okay.
happen worse than accident. It could happen to anyone.
Babes, this is too much for one person. First it was her job, and then she gets duped, and then she's owing people. And now she's being held for murder. Babe, look, I don't think my contact wants to associate themselves with anything murder case, please.
Sam is our childhood friend. We know what she's capable of doing. She needs us now more than ever.
Babe, the least I can do in this case is pay for a lawyer. That girl needs help. She needs to meet her village people who. She needs help, I'm telling you.
Come on, Sherry. Don't be like this.
Look, babe, hit me once you get a lawyer. I will pay. Yes, I will pay. You know I don't like negative vibe. I don't like it. And that girl is becoming one. Hit me up once you get a lawyer, okay?
Ellie, what is
Jeez.
your support?
Less than 1 week ago, we just got you out of a death mess. Now this. What's wrong with you, Samantha?
Nothing, Ben. Nothing is wrong with me. I didn't do anything. It was just an accident.
You know, I was thinking of coming over to the house so that we can figure out ways to raise money to offset those that give us in goodwill. But we are here.
Please, get me a lawyer. Please.
Johnson's family is not taking this lightly. They are our biggest headache because they are asking for 20 million naira compensation.
20 what? I don't have that kind of money. 20 million, where will I get it from? Vin, oh God, please. Okay, please. Do anything, just get me out of here. Please. Look at me, Vin. I didn't do this. I promise I didn't.
Vincent, Samantha is your fiancée. She needs you more than anyone right now. Look, it's been 24 hours since she's been in custody.
I'm fed up, Patrick. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Is this who I'm supposed to be settling down with? From one problem to the other. Who knows what's next when she lives there?
Hey, come on. You're taking this too far. I mean, you and I know for sure that Samantha is a nice person. She's a wonderful soul. I mean, it's quite unfortunate this is happening to her right now. It's quite unfortunate she's going through this phase of her life now. Please.
Well, my lawyer is in charge right now. It's just that this whole thing is too much for me to bear. For how long will I continue to endure all of this? How long?
Listen, Vincent, I just told you. It's a phase. It will pass. I mean, it could happen to anyone. She will come out of it.
told you. I told you about the strange woman and her child who slept here for a night. But you thought I was hallucinating.
No, I didn't think.
Yes, you did. You did. You thought I was going nuts. I don't know. Ever since that woman and her son left mysteriously, everything has just been happening to me. Everything has been going down. Everything has been shattering. I don't know if I helped an evil spirit or
It's okay.
God.
Please, come on. It's okay. Everything is going to be fine. I mean, this is just a phase in your life that you're going through. And I am very certain that it will pass soon.
How?
It will.
How? How? Can you tell me what's gonna happen next? No, tell me what will happen next. If only you had believed me, Elle. Because I am sure. After they left here mysteriously, everything changed. It started to happen simultaneously. Everything just kept spiraling down the drain. I should have just left them. I should have just left them outside. Against my good judgment, I allowed them. My conscience warned me not to even bring them in, but foolish me, I did.
Okay, Sammy. Stop speaking ill of your good deed.
This is never going to end.
Everything is going to be fine, so just drink water and relax yourself.
Ellie, it's never going to end. This is the end for me. What more can happen to me? Just take a good look at me. No, please, no.
Just take water.
I'm finished. This is it. This is where I draw the final curtain. Hey. Come on, what is it? Is everything okay?
Everything is not okay.
What happened?
See, Samantha. This whole thing that we have is not working out. It's high time we called it off.
Call it off. How did you just come to that conclusion?
See, I've decided to put an end to all of this. It's not working for me. For Christ's sake, something is wrong with you, Samantha. And I don't want to be a part of it.
Baby, but this is when I need you. This is when I need you to be by my side. Yes, I agree. Something is definitely wrong with me. I'm not disputing that fact. But like everything that has a beginning, it comes to an end, right? And mine isn't any different. This will definitely come to an end. And come on, babe, we can walk through this together. Please.
When that happens, you can move on with your life while I move on with mine. Have a good life, Samantha.
Now that I've settled Miss Damien, I still owe a lot of people. Very soon, they will come asking for their money. The lawyer made a good case with Johnson's family. Now, they're asking for 5 million naira to compensate Johnson's wife and his children. My business is dead. Customers won't stop asking for products on Instagram. I'm just left with 150,000 naira in my account. How did I fall to this level? Did I commit any crime in helping a stranger? Hello, Shelley.
Hey, Samantha.
Are you in town?
No. But will you be in town by morning? I'm coming with the first flight. I'm currently in Calabar.
Calabar? What are you doing in Calabar?
Is there a problem?
No problem at all. It's just that I wanted to talk to you, and it's not something I can say over the phone. That's it. Perhaps when you get here, we'll talk. Good night. I just have to do this. Shelley has this contact. I have no other way out of this mess. Yep. Oh, yes. And boom. Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. You're welcome. I'll see you in the morning, okay?
Good night, Auntie.
Good night, Davis. Sleep well, okay? Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Your heart is so pure and your kind is rare. If you don't mind, there's something I would like to tell you, but that will be in the morning.
It's okay. That's fine. You need to rest now. Good night. Good night. Who is Elizabeth? And her son Davis? Could they be the reason all this misfortune before me? Mysteriously, everything started to happen after they left. This is strange. The secret to successful living and unending wealth is found in Luke 6:38. Live it, uphold it. Luke 6:38. Luke 6:38. Luke 6:38. Luke 6:38. Six. Luke 6:38. Give, and it shall be given unto you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, shall men give into your bosom. For with the same measure that ye meet withal, it shall be measured unto you again. For in the same measure that you give withal, it shall be measured unto you again.
Babe, you said you want to tell me something. I came straight from the airport. I hope it's not something bad.
No, not really. It's about... How do I tell Shelley I want her to hook me up with those contacts of hers? I really need this money. This is really difficult for me right now.
Sam?
Yes.
Are you here?
Yeah.
You said you want to tell me something.
Yes, correct. I was just thinking of, of how you perceive this. The thing is, I was surfing online, okay, and I came across this perfect travel destination, and I just thought, okay, why not tell your friend about it so she could visit on our behalf,
Okay, where's this place?
Maldives.
Maldives?
Yes.
Oh my word! I met a girl in Calabar. She just came back from Maldives and she said so many beautiful things about this travel destination. And here you are saying the same thing.
I keep thinking about you all the time, and I'm like, since she likes to travel, the least you can do, Samantha, is to just, help her find out or pick interesting places so she visits them, since she enjoys to, you enjoy it. You have so much fun when you travel.
Come here, darling. Thank you so much, Sam. You are the darling. Oh my God. Maldives. You know what? I know who's going to foot this bill. Darry. He's been asking me to pick a nice destination so we could, spend time for this Valentine holiday.
And this place is a perfect destination for you both.
I know, right? Maldives. It's gonna be pictures after pictures.
Samantha, tell her what you want. You're in debt and you need to pay up as soon as possible.
It's going to be pictures. This trip, I will trouble your timeline. You will see pictures, videos of me. Maldives, here I come. Baby girl, let's cheers to that. Hey! I am going to paint that tail red.
Yeah, that's why I found the place for you in the first place.
See, do more researches.
I feel good. Da, 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 da. I take it I would down. Bigger, bigger. Bam, 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 bam. I feel nice. Ba, da, 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 da.
Samantha!
Yes, darling.
Samantha, don't tell me you're going back to this again.
Well, why not?
Samantha, what are you doing?
Well, there's a puzzle I unraveled last night. I feel like the woman and her son that I housed the other night, they reminded me of something.
Something like what?
Well, something I thought I had forgotten. They reminded me. They reminded me how I got to where I am today. It wasn't hard work that got this house for me. It wasn't even being smart that got me everything I have acquired. No, not at all. Not at all. It wasn't luck. Neither was it chance. It was simply the act of goodwill. And I'm thankful to God you remember that phase of my life.
Samantha, you cannot possibly go back to this. Okay?
You've grown above this, Samantha.
Well, trust me, Ellie, no one, I repeat, no one grows above doing good. Not at all. Listen to me. I left the source of my wealth. I started chasing after clouds, you know. And like a rolling stone on a steep slope, everything around me shattered. Ellie, can you imagine? I even considered going into prostitution. God forbid. What? God forbid? No. Come on, are you going to help me or not? Because I feel good. Oh, be good. I got put a piece of protein on that.
To treat the people right and undo all my wrongs. Wish I can turn back the hands of time and do everything I've done. And now I'm so stuck and I cannot help myself, 'cause it's coming.
Okay. Sarah, sorry to have kept you waiting here. Well, these are my clothes. Some of them are still new, and some I've worn them once or twice.
Hey, auntie, so now me go dey wear all these fine clothes. God bless you. Thank you.
You like them?
I love them, die. Jesus. See Anna. You dey feel like?
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Sarah, have you been going for antenatals?
Antenatal. See, I don't know anybody. Who be that? Is she a man or woman?
Well, no. You know what? Tomorrow morning, please just come. Let me take you to go see a doctor. Okay?
Aye. Oh God. Auntie, you be good person. Your type, you know do it too.
It's okay.
I love you, Auntie. God bless you.
Amen. It's okay. No, please.
Auntie, it's my life. If not you, I Jesus, Auntie.
It's okay.
God bless.
It's okay. Don't exert yourself. It's okay. Mama,
all this for us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please manage this one,
Hi, thank you.
You're welcome, ma. Please just let me know if she needs anything more.
Okay.
Ada, you have my number, right?
Yes.
Give me a call if anything comes up, okay?
Thank you, ma.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay, ma. Take care. Let me get the door for you. Hold on, let me just get the door for you. Okay. Yes. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. Let me open for you. Ada, make sure you read your books, Yes. Read your books very well, though. It's okay, ma. Bye-bye, ma.
Bye-bye.
Yes, ma. Girl, you didn't get yourself anything to drink. Look at the way she just seated. Hey, you still come to this house expecting me to give you drinks. Come on.
Wait. Don't tell me you went back into your crazy lifestyle of giving. I thought you stopped this.
Well, just as traveling makes you happy, this is what makes me happy.
Anyway, that's your business, not mine. That's not why I'm here. I brought good news.
What could that be?
Girl, do you remember the idea of traveling to Maldives that you gave me?
Yeah.
Dari bought the idea and your girl is going to Maldives after the Valentine. Wow, that's beautiful. I'm truly happy for you. Thank you, and I'm happy for me too. That's not why I'm here. Okay, spill. Alright. Derry is in dead need of a contract auditor. I recommended you to him. And he bought the idea. Guess what? It's a 6 months contract and it's renewable. Can you believe that? Why are you crying? Did I say anything wrong? Oh my god! Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you. It's fine. Thank you. That's not all. There's more? The problem is he wants to have a meeting with you in his office tomorrow morning. I don't know if that's possible. Tomorrow? Yes. I can even go today. Then it's all yours then. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. Stop, girl. Stop it. It's okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's talk about my trip, okay? Enough of this emotional thing. What do you think I should wear to Maldives?
Wow. Oh, come on, this is good. Girl, did you just say 18 million naira? Wow! Wait, no, come on. That's like 3 million naira a month.
Exactly. Patrick, this company is a multi-million-dollar company. Not even in my wildest dream did I ever think this could happen to me. I mean, in a million years. Wow. See, it beats me. How does Shelley even, get to know all these people? How does she have all these contacts?
Talking about Shelley, I think she likes me.
Who?
Shelley, of course. Come on, why are you laughing?
Come on.
Okay.
Trust me. No, not Shelley. Don't just please, I don't want you to get your heart broken. Shelley has got some really peculiar taste. And you, my dearest friend, cannot foot them all. I'm sorry.
Now you're looking down on me.
No! Come.
Oh, seriously, Samantha, seriously,
Yeah.
I'm happy for you. Seriously, I am. Like, how did all this happen? Just in the twinkle of an eye, you are back on your feet. I mean, come on.
Just like that.
I'm happy for you, girl. I am, seriously.
I know you are. Thank you. All the while, it was my fault. I forgot the true, source of my growth. My dearest friend, I'm thankful I found my way back to it. True success doesn't come from hard work. It comes from one simple act of kindness. Well, enough said. What would you like to eat, drink?
Anything, I mean, you own me today, so let's celebrate.
Don't worry, I'm gonna do right. Patrick.
I'm happy for you. I am.
Thank you.
I am.
Thank you.
Oh, you're sweet soul. You deserve it. You deserve it.
I'll get you something you truly like.
All right. True success doesn't come from hard work, but a simple act of kindness. Where did she get that from? But I've been kind to people too.
Okay. Whoever you are, Elizabeth, thank you. Thank you, Davis. I'll call you my guardian angel. Cheers to a new beginning. Oh.